Optimizing your YouTube channel for maximum reach. A comprehensive guide. YouTube has evolved into a powerful platform for content creators and businesses alike. To maximize your channel's visibility and attract a wider audience, implementing effective optimization strategies is crucial. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore essential techniques to optimize your YouTube channel for increased recommendations and views. Content and engagement, the foundation of success. 1. Create high-quality, engaging content. Identify your niche, determine your target audience and create content that resonates with their interests. Inform, entertain, or inspire. Strive to produce videos that provide value, whether it's through informative tutorials, entertaining skits, or inspiring vlogs. Visual appeal. Invest in good quality equipment and editing software to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. 2. Maintain consistency. Regular uploads. Establish a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Plan ahead. Create a content calendar to organize your video ideas and ensure a steady flow of content. 3. Encourage user engagement. Interactive elements. Use comments, polls, and quizzes to spark conversation and build a community around your channel. Respond to comments. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partnering with other creators can help you reach a wider audience and introduce your content to new viewers. SEO and optimization, boosting discoverability. 1. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube's own search bar to find keywords related to your content. Keyword placement. Incorporate keywords strategically into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Long-tail keywords. Target specific, niche keywords to attract a more targeted audience. 2. Optimize titles and descriptions. Clear and concise titles. Create informative titles that accurately reflect your video's content. Detailed descriptions. Write compelling descriptions that summarize your video, include relevant keywords, and encourage viewers to watch. Call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe by including a clear call to action in your description. 3. Thumbnail optimization. Eye-catching thumbnails. Design visually appealing thumbnails that grab viewers' attention. Clear and relevant. Ensure your thumbnail accurately represents the content of your video. Text overlay. Use text overlays to highlight key points or create a sense of urgency. Additional tips for YouTube optimization. 1. Utilize cards and end screens. Promote other videos. Use cards and end screens to direct viewers to other relevant videos on your channel. Encourage subscriptions. Add a subscription card to grow your subscriber base. 2. Organize videos into playlists. Improved discoverability. Organize your videos into themed playlists to make them easier to find. Increased watch time. Playlists encourage viewers to watch multiple videos in a row. 3. Add closed captions and subtitles. Accessibility. Make your videos accessible to a wider audience, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Language barrier. Cater to viewers who speak different languages. 4. Promote videos on social media and other platforms. Cross-promotion. Share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to reach a larger audience. Embed videos on your website. Embed your videos on your website or blog to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. 5. Analyze channel analytics. Track performance. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor your channel's performance, including views, watch time, and audience demographics. Identify trends. Analyze your data to identify trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. 6. Stay up to date with YouTube trends and best practices. Algorithm updates. Stay informed about changes to YouTube's algorithm and adjust your strategy accordingly. Community Guidelines. Adhere to YouTube's community guidelines to avoid penalties and channel restrictions. By implementing these optimization strategies consistently, you can significantly improve your YouTube channel's visibility, attract a larger audience, and achieve your content goals. Remember, success on YouTube requires dedication, creativity, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-evolving platform.